I'll tell you anything you want, man. Come on. Come on. No. No.
You gonna tell me what I want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
I told you already.
You gonna be a good boy?
I told you everything already.
Gonna be a good boy?
Whoa.
And now the music starts, eh? Sorry, I didn't want to punch you down.
Punched him in the head. Send it to the left of me. Send it to the right.
Hey, you gotta put your hat on, man.
This is not how it goes.
Him slapping him in the
Sorry, man. I do apologize. I didn't want to be brutal. or
Okay, it's
something.
okay. No, that's fine.